can you actually paint with tile adhesive? Clicked on this title to watch this video to learn all about depth and texture in your paintings, and today I'm going to show you how to create that depth and texture. Welcome back, and if you're new to this video, I document all my paintings that I create, and in a previous video I've tried to create depth and texture, and in that video I used a bonding compound to create a painting, and it was a complete disaster because it crumbled. So we're going to try and recreate some more depth and texture using some leftover tile adhesive. So I believe that you have to use an acrylic based waterproof tile adhesive because I think it sort of gives a bit of flex and it doesn't crack. So let's give this one a try. We're going to get this down onto a piece of board just so it's rigid and it allows the actual adhesive to adhere to the actual board. So stick around if you want to see how this painting turns out. So I'm going to whack some tile adhesive into this pot. So to start with, we're going to get a base colour down, and I'm going to use the texture of this mixed in with some acrylic to get that base texture down. So I'm just going to mix it up. We've got our product down onto the board, and we're going to give the Catalyst Colour Shaper a go to get this laid out. At this stage I'm not actually trying to create an actual painting, an abstract painting, I'm just trying to build up the texture as a background. So I'm loving the feeling of this. You can really sort of get some dynamics and depth into it. I'm going to mix up one more batch. I'm just going to go in with a darker tone just to create that sort of background texture. And then we're going to let that dry, and we're going to come back and we're going to finish off our painting. So. It's really quite nice. The harder you push, the more you can blend it. As I say, down this end, I just wanted it really textured. So I'm just trying to build that up.
You got me hooked on your love. Think I caught all the feelings. For your kiss, I'm alive. Every touch sends me reeling. I gotta know where you now. You're on the up, but I'm coming down. I could feel my heart start to race. You are the one, all that I crave. Give me a fix, more than a taste. I won't have it any other way. Oh baby, you keep me up all night. Candy on my mind, my sugar rush. Got me take a bite of your cake tonight. I can't get enough. My sugar rush.
A quick recap, we've just mixed up some of the wall tile adhesive with some actual colour. Again, not the colour that I want to finish with, this is just the base colour. We're going to be going over with some blues and some different tones, but this will create that extra 3-dimensional depth to this piece. We're going to let this dry and continue with this painting, so stick around.
When I gaze in your eyes, I find the right fantasize. I'm searching to predefine. I'm yours and you're mine. Everything else but you. Since it's so pretty fine. I'm yours and you're mine. All the movement, everything else, 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 everything else.
Lost track of the forest through the trees, forgot what I was chasing. Spent so many nights living out at sea that my heart is gone vacant. And everybody who was close to me all stayed on dry land. So now I'm driving back on Interstate West, I just gotta feel something. Not gonna wait till the morning, because something's gonna change my mind. I don't wanna change my mind. Oh, I wanna stay right here, chilling with my friends for another year. I would walk away from the spotlight for the good life. Oh, come on, turn your hate into poetry, pain into power, enemies to friends, and your minutes into hours. I would walk away from the spotlight for the good life, for the good life. Send my best friend an apologetic text, he says to come over. Well, the whole damn town has been waiting for the day when you would come back here. There was dancing and talking and steaks on the grill, and I think that I will be alright. And my ex from high school still looks just the same as she did back in 2009. Not gonna wait till the morning, let's never put the night on ice. Never put the night on ice. Oh, I wanna stay right here, chilling with my friends for another year. I would walk away from the spotlight for the good life. Oh, come on, turn your hate into poetry, pain into power.
That's this one finished. Really happy with this. That texture really works. So yeah, that's a simple technique that you can use to create depth and texture. I try to keep this one sort of clear at the top and then more texture as you sort of come down in this piece. Get this one framed on your wall and that will look ultra modern for your room. And I'll see you in the next photo.
Too short to never do what you want to. What do you want to do?